Budgeting for beginners. Get your finances on track and stay that way. Ever feel like your money mysteriously vanishes each month? Do you worry about surprise bills or emergencies throwing your finances off track? Maybe you're saving for a dream vacation or a down payment on a house, but progress feels frustratingly slow. If any of this sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone, but here's the good news. Taking control of your finances is within reach. Budgeting isn't some scary, restrictive monster under the bed. It's actually a powerful tool for empowerment, giving you a clear roadmap to reach your financial goals and achieve peace of mind. In this article, we'll break down the steps to creating a simple and effective budget that works for you. We'll address common pain points, explore different budgeting methods, and equip you with tips to stay on track for the long haul. Why budget? The power of taking charge. Think of budgeting as your personal financial GPS. It helps you see where your money goes, identify areas for improvement, and ultimately steer your finances towards your goals. Here are just a few reasons why budgeting is your secret weapon for financial success. Feel in control. Budgeting takes the guesswork out of your finances. You'll know exactly how much money you have coming in and going out each month, empowering you to make informed spending decisions. Reach your goals. Whether it's a dream vacation, a new car, or a comfortable retirement, budgeting helps you prioritize your spending and allocate funds towards those goals. Reduce stress. Financial uncertainty is a major stressor. By creating a clear financial plan, you'll eliminate money-related anxieties and sleep soundly, knowing you're on the right track. Build a safety net. Unexpected expenses happen. Budgeting helps you build an emergency fund to weather financial storms without derailing your progress. Step-by-step guide to building your budget. Ready to ditch the financial fog and step into the sunshine of financial clarity? Let's walk through the process of creating your personalized budget. 1. Track your income. The first step is understanding how much money you have coming in each month. This includes your salary, any side hustle income, or recurring deposits from investments. Gather your recent pay stubs, bank statements, or any documents that detail your income sources. 1. Identify your expenses. Now let's get a handle on where your money goes. Here's where a little detective work is required. There are two main categories of expenses: fixed expenses. These are essential costs that stay relatively the same each month, like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, electricity, water, internet, car payments, and minimum debt payments. Variable expenses. These expenses can fluctuate month to month, such as groceries, gas, entertainment, dining out, and personal care items. There are several ways to track your expenses. Here are a few options. Gather receipts. Hold on to receipts for a month and categorize them later. Review bank statements. Most banks offer online statements with detailed transaction lists. Use these to categorize your spending. Use a budgeting app. Many budgeting apps connect directly to your bank accounts and automatically categorize your transactions, saving you time and effort. Once you have a list of your expenses, categorize them into groups. Common categories include housing, food, transportation, utilities, entertainment, debt payments, and savings. This will help you identify areas where you might be able to cut back or adjust your spending habits. Here's a popular budgeting framework called the 50-30-20 rule. It's a simple way to allocate your income towards your needs, wants, and financial goals. 50% needs. This covers your essential expenses like housing, food, transportation, and minimum debt payments. 30% wants. This is your fun money for entertainment, dining out, hobbies, or subscriptions. 20% savings and debt repayment. This goes towards building your emergency fund, saving for your goals, or paying down debt beyond minimum payments. Remember, the 50-30-20 rule is a guideline, not a strict rule. You can adjust the percentages based on your specific financial situation and goals. Now that you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, it's time to put it all together. There are a few ways to create your budget. Pen and paper. This classic method offers simplicity and flexibility. Create a spreadsheet with columns for income, expense categories, and amounts. Manually track your spending throughout the month and update the spreadsheet accordingly. Digital spreadsheet. Spreadsheet programs like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets offer a more dynamic option. You can create formulas to automate calculations and track your progress visually with charts and graphs. Budgeting apps. There are a plethora of budgeting apps available, both free and paid. These apps can connect to your bank accounts, automatically categorize transactions, and provide helpful features like goal setting, progress tracking, and spending insights. Choosing the right tool. The best budgeting method is the one that works for you. Consider your personal preferences and technological comfort level. Pen and paper. This is a great option for those who prefer a hands-on approach and appreciate the simplicity of a physical document. Digital spreadsheet. If you're comfortable with technology and enjoy data analysis, a digital spreadsheet offers greater flexibility and customization. Budgeting apps. Apps are a convenient and time-saving option, especially for those who are constantly on the go. They can also provide helpful reminders and motivational nudges to stay on track. Creating a budget is just the first step. Here are some key strategies to ensure your budget becomes a lifelong financial companion. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This pay-yourself-first approach ensures you prioritize saving without relying on willpower alone. Track your progress regularly. Review your budget weekly or bi-weekly. This helps you identify areas where you might be overspending and course-correct before the month ends. Be flexible, not rigid. Life happens. Unexpected expenses can pop up. Don't beat yourself up if you deviate from your budget occasionally. The key is to adjust your spending in other categories to stay on track overall. Review and revise. As your income or expenses change, revisit your budget and adjust accordingly. Regularly evaluating your budget ensures it remains relevant and effective in helping you achieve your evolving financial goals. Bonus tips. Embrace the cash envelope system. Withdraw a specific amount of cash for variable expenses like groceries or dining out. Once the cash is gone, stop spending in that category until the next budgeting cycle. Unsubscribe from temptations. Marketing emails and social media ads can trigger impulsive spending. Unsubscribe from unnecessary marketing messages and be mindful of how you browse social media. Find a budgeting buddy. Partner up with a friend or family member who's also on a budgeting journey. Hold each other accountable and celebrate your successes together. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. It takes time and effort to establish a system that works for you. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Be patient, consistent, and celebrate your progress along the way. By taking control of your finances today, you're investing in a brighter, more secure financial future for tomorrow.